Another gigantor fish. This one is very large. Yeah, he's not ready. Oh my gosh. That is gigantic. Oh my God. Please don't thrash. Oh, go on. Wow. For those of you at home, I am using a black TJ hooker under an oral syndicator about 6 feet down. Solid fish. It's a very large trout. Jeez. Barely fits in the net. Oh my God. That is a large fish. Oh, nice. Doubled up. Yes. Nice. Yes. Perseverance. Oh, it's a solid fish. When you hit that pillar almost, I thought, ooh, this could be good. These fish are so big here. It's nuts. Oh, nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes! Oh, another one. Jeez, it is huge. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. This is just a massive rainbow. Oh my God. This thing's like 3 or 4 pounds. That guy. Wow. It's a large fish. I got him. Whoa. Don't be getting everybody excited now. Oh, this looks like a cut bow. Ready. Damn it. Oh my God, it's another huge fish. I'm starting to feel bad. Oh, just another tank. This might be in the 20s. I feel like he ain't done yet. It's very steep. I reached almost all the way over for that one. Oh my God, this is easily 20 plus. Look at fucking steelhead. Oh my God, look at this thing. Oh my God. This is a trout? Holy crap. Got some battle scars. Wow. Yeah, he's a large fish. Dude, that's a big fish. What a beautiful fish. Is that a cut? I think it's a cut bow, maybe. Wow. That is a large fish. Wow. Look at that thing. Got the woolly bugger. Throw that in there and see if we can double up. Very good looking rainbow. Another 19-inch fish. So crazy. Very pretty fish. Whoa, it's a good fish. Oh my God. This was a large one. It's quite large. Oh, he's tagged as well. Wrapped up. Large fish. Good? Yeah. Yeah. Just another tanker. This is a big fish. Ready? Wow. That's such a big fish. You can't even hold him. Fish on. Oh no. He backlashed me. He's going out to sea. Seemingly. Oh my God. Oh my. Just waiting for him to take off again. Stay in the water, please. Jeez. These large ones are hard to land. All right. Wow. Come on, buddy. My God, this thing, his tail is like 6 inches wide. Wow. This is definitely like top 10 trout I've ever caught. Oh my God. He is like a salmon. Make sure I revive this guy. That was rough, I know. Got me all wrapped up, twisting around. He's unwrapped. Just not a huge fish, just a football. I know you're tired, buddy. No. There is a God. Holy crap.